been? Today I'm gonna show you about my experience in shopping from Eve and Boy Khon Kaen. So let me show you what I just bought from this department. Okay, actually Eve and Boy is the department store that sells all the beauty products and it is located in the center area of Khon Kaen city near the bus terminal of Khon Kaen. This one I love shopping here because the products that sell here are very cheaper if compared to the other big supermarket or the other department stores around Khon Kaen city. So today I spent only 1,000 baht to buy all of the products to my house and also for the beauty products to myself as a gift from my birthday as well. So let me show you what's inside this bag. This is the plastic bag which has a logo of Eve and Boy. So it depends on how many products that you, the size of the bag, it depends on how many that you buy the products here. First things that I bought from my husband. The first one is Omo powder detergent. So this brand is I love to use this brand because not only it can clean my clothes, it's also very cheap if compared to other brands, and also the smell is not too bad. Next ones I bought two of cloth softeners, so different smell. This one is this brand is also perfect for my family because I think every time after I wash my clothes and I put this to mix with the last water to rinse my clothes, the smell is very good and very pretty and lovely. So myself and me and my husband also love the smell of these softener products. And other things that I bought from myself, this one I decided to buy Shiseido eyelash curler. It is the gift from my birthday. I decided to buy it because can you see? The price at this time it is 30% discount. So from 500 baht, I can buy only 350 baht. So I heard from many beauty gurus from YouTube that for eyelash curler, you have to invest some of your money to make your lash curl beautifully. So I decided to buy this Shiseido brand because I want to feel good to myself if I use this product too. Also, Catrice gel liner. This brand has just brought and sell here in Eve and Boy. So this one is quite cheap. So I decided to buy the gel liner together with gel liner brush. So this one, these two of them, not only 300 baht. So it is very cheap. I never used gel liner before, so this time I wanna check whether gel liner is better than liquid liner or not. And last but not the least, this one is also one of my favorite products of cleansing my face, cleansing my cosmetics in on my face. This one is by Fiesta Cleansing Liquid. This is the product from Japan. Last time when I went to Eve and Boy, I noticed that the price was around 370 baht, and this time I could buy only 296 baht. So I think Eve and Boy is one of the very good choice if you think you want to buy the very cheaper products if compared to other department stores that I told you earlier. So that's it. These all of them I paid only around 5,000 baht, which is very cheap. Okay, thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.